Welcome back to your final guitar lesson of this term. Today we're going to look at our last theme, and then I'm going to give you instructions as to what's going to happen for your end of term assessment. Let's see if you know this theme. 1, 2, 3, go. And that's the theme. That's Mr. Bean right there. Nice and short. And the same thing I'm going to ask, if you decide to play this one, just like the Pink Panther had 2 scales, this piece also has 2 scales. So make sure you know the scales as well as the pieces that you've chosen, okay? So let's start off by looking at the scales, and let's zoom into the guitar. Alright, so we have 2 scales. We have our A minor pentatonic and our D minor pentatonic. So pretty easy scales, so it shouldn't take long to understand them. So you're going to start with your index finger on the 5th fret, and it's going to be in charge of every note on the 5th fret, your index finger, okay? This is A minor pentatonic. You're starting on the 5th fret E string, that is your A note. Then you have to make sure each finger gets its own fret, okay? So index finger gets the 5th, middle gets the 6th, ring gets the 7th, pinky gets the 8th. They can't cross over. Pinky can't go there, ring finger can't go there, and then index goes there, and ring middle goes there. That looks very weird, so don't do that. Each finger gets its own fret. So we're going to start off, 2 notes per string. We're going to go 5, 8 with our index, pinky. Make sure you're using good technique. Karate chop it down on the bridge. I don't want any floating, all right? Karate chop it. So we're going to go 5, 8 with a down up. So down, up, index, pinky. Then we're going to go and do the same move 3 times on the A, D, and G string. We're going to use our index and ring finger on the 5 and 7. And we're still going to do down, up. So 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. So far we have 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. With my fingers, index, pinky, index, ring, index, ring, index, ring. With the strokes, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then the bottom 2 strings, you're going to do the same thing you did for the low E. You're just going to go 5, 8, 5, 8. Index, pinky, down, up. Okay, so make sure you're in the right fret number, using the right fingers, using the right strokes. So all together, we have down, up. So 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. One more time. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8. A little bit slower, I know I'm going a bit quick. 5, 8, 5, 7, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's go backwards from the bottom over here to the top using down ups. Down, so repeat down here again with a down stroke. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time, top to bottom. 3, go. Down, up, down, up. Use the right fingers. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Start now. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Backwards. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that's A minor pentatonic. Now the next scale is called D minor pentatonic, and I will show you this part, but the only problem is some of you might not have guitars that can hold the tune steady when you go higher up. The higher up you go, it might go out of tune. So I'll just show this to you just so you can understand it, but I'll show you one that will probably stay in tune for your guitars. So what you could do is take the same A minor pentatonic shape, that pattern, and put it on the 10th fret, and just do the exact same pattern. So you go 10, 13, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 13, 10, 13, 13, 10, 13, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 12, 10, 13, 10. Right, that's D minor pentatonic. Now, if your guitar doesn't sound in tune when you go this high, don't worry. Let me show you the next pattern. So those are the two scales you need to know: A minor pentatonic and D minor pentatonic. So this is one that'll be more friendly to your guitar. So for D minor pentatonic, you're going to do the exact same thing that you did for A minor pentatonic. You're going to start off up here. Actually, let's start off over here so it makes more sense, okay? You're going to go, this note over here is the D note. So you're going to start the same way as your A minor pentatonic, index, pinky, okay? So index, pinky, then we're going to have two index rings. Index ring, index ring. So 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7. Slowly. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7. Then when we get to the B string, this time we're not going to stay straight. We're going to shift it. So you will go middle, pinky, our members of parliament combination, MP. So down, up, MP, index ring, middle, pinky. Then you're going to come back over here and do the same thing that you had over here on the 5, 8. You're going to go 5, 8, okay? So 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8. Again. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8. It's a bit slower. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8. Backwards. 8, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5. Now the reason why I didn't want to show you from here is because this is where the note, the chord, the scale starts. But this is just if you want to extend it further. Alright, so it would just be the same note that you have down here. The 8, 5, 8, 5. The exact same notes, just in different strings, okay? These two strings are actually exactly the same. So whatever you have here, you just have up here. So that's D minor pentatonic. One more time. 8, 5. Not 8, 5. 5, 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 6, 8, 5, 8. Backwards. 8, 5, 8, 6, 7, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5. Extended. 8, 5, 8, 5. Alright, it wants to come back there. So let's try to play both scales together. A minor pentatonic, then D minor pentatonic. 3, go. Back up. D minor pentatonic from the A string, go. Members of Parliament, back to normal. Backwards. Ready to extend now? That's our D minor. Let's do those two scales one more time, a little bit quicker. 3, go. Backwards. D minor pentatonic. Backwards. Extend. Simple as that. So 5th fret on the low E is your A note. 5th fret on the A string is your D note. Okay? Cool.